What are you doing?
Oh, Mrs. Pierce, I'm just dreaming. I'm looking around at our space. It needs a facelift.
What do you mean by that?
Well, let me show you. I think our kids deserve a safe space, but look at this floor. It's buckling. That's not safe.
No.
Yeah. I'm looking around at the walls. The mats, they aren't all very securely attached to the wall. I don't want them to fall on our kids. I'm looking at the walls. The walls have some water damage in there. They're just old. They're almost 100-year-old walls. They're getting wrinkles, kind of like me. You know, a facelift, I think, is what it needs.